Welcome back, everyone. As we all know, if you want something new in your life, you have to stop doing something old. दोस्तों आज कॉन्वर्सेशन 3 है और कॉन्वर्सेशन 3 में हम देखेंगे कि हमारे जो न्यू कैंडिडेट्स हैं वो सारे किस तरह से हमें आंसर कर रहे हैं और आप लोग भी देखेंगे कि क्या कॉन्वर्सेशंस में क्वेश्चंस किए जाते हैं और आप कर सकते हैं और उनका आंसर्स कैसे किया जाता है. सो लेट्स डाइव इन. हाउ आर यू बोथ?
I am fine by the grace of Almighty. Thanks, and you?
I am also fine by the grace of Sustainer. How are you, Rizwan?
I am also fine by the grace of Sustainer. What about you, sir?
I'm also fantastic. Thank you. So today we are having some questions, or you may say rapid fire round questions. So you will have to answer at the same time. Okay? Are you all set, guys?
Yes,
I
sir.
am outside.
Okay. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Farhat Jahan.
Okay. Tell me two qualities of her.
She is a smiley girl and she supports me.
Great. Next question to you, Rizwan. How was your last day?
Thank you, sir. Sir, my last day was full of learning.
How?
Sir, actually, I learned so many things, and yesterday I enjoyed a lot. I went to my relatives' home with my parents, and I enjoyed a lot over there.
Great, great. Rizwan, what is your favorite quote or a motivational quotation which you have ever come across?
Sir, my favorite quote is, "Dream is not that which you see in sleep, it's a thing which doesn't let you sleep."
Wow, great thought of the great person. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. Dream is that which doesn't let you sleep. Great. Who is your best friend and why?
So my best friend name is Amjad Siddiqui, and he is a stress-free boy, and he always tries to make us happy.
Great, great. We should have these kind of friends, right? And one more question to you, that what is your favorite food and can you prepare?
Chicken biryani.
And can you prepare?
Yeah, I can prepare.
Very good, very good. You try to prepare for us as well. Okay. Rizwan, can you tell me that two things which are very, very important to have in one's life?
So first, we should be a positive thinking man, and second thing is that we should not have stress forever in our mind.
Exactly. We should not have stress forever in our mind. We should get rid of as soon as possible. Great. So next question to you, that what is your favorite place in this world and with whom you want to go?
My favorite place Dubai. I want to go to Dubai with husband.
Wow, nice. Rizwan, you tell me, what is one thing to live a balanced life
Positive thinking.
and why?
So actually, it's the only thing which makes us balance. And actually, sir, if you don't think positive, then we will destroy.
Exactly, exactly. We always should think positive, because with the help of positive thinking mind, you can succeed in your life like leaps and bounds. Okay? Yeah. What is one thing that you want to purchase as soon as possible?
I want to purchase car.
Which car?
Brezza.
Oh, three-wheeler car.
No, four-wheeler.
She wants to purchase four-wheeler. Great. Best of luck. Okay. So the next question is, Rizwan, why English language plays a vital role for students?
So it's too important, because if a student knows English, then he can understand all the thing what's written in his book. And so actually it plays a vital role for the student. Those are from Urdu medium school also. When they take admission in college, then they see there all the books in English, and English helps them a lot. English helps them a lot to understand. And if they do not understand English, then by the time they will be stuck.
Great. Nice answer. Okay. Asya, what's your daily routine?
Thank you, sir. I wake up early in the morning at 5:30 o'clock. Then after, I read newspaper and I practice all the topics. Then after, I fresh myself. at 7:30 o'clock. Then after I come to tuition from 7:30 o'clock
to 9.
to 9. Then after I take breakfast 10:30 o'clock. Then after I operate mobile 10:30 o'clock to 11:30 o'clock. I do domestic chores 11:30 o'clock to 1:30 o'clock. After that I take bath. After that I offer namaz. Then after I take lunch. After that I take rest 2:30 o'clock to 5:30 o'clock. After that I go on the roof for walk. After that I take snacks. Then I study 6:30 o'clock to 8:30 o'clock. After that I prepare food. After that I take dinner. Then I operate mobile. After that I sleep.
Great. Wonderful daily routine. Wonderful daily routine. Do you agree that online education is better than offline education?
Yes, I do agree that online education is better than offline education. So now students have indulged in online education. Before that it was a bit difficult, but now it's easy to have online education. And due to this pandemic, everybody has learned that how to have online education, and they have made themselves comfortable as well. So online education is better than offline education, and it helps us a lot.
Great. Nicely answered. Okay. You tell me that what is the importance of learning English language?
Sir, English is very necessary for us because English is very simple and easy language. English is globally accepted language.
Rizwan, what is the role of discipline in one's life?
Thank you, sir. Sir, as I believe that discipline, it means manner in everything. Whatever we do, like if I'm wearing cloth, then it should be in my cloth also, dressing sense also. And if I'm working anywhere, then discipline should be there also. And sir, it is the only thing which helps us to get our work done very easily.
What is discipline? This is the question.
Sir, actually it's all about manner. And suppose I'm talking to you, and if I'm using slang languages, then actually you can understand. But I think from the next time you will not allow to stand before you.
Exactly. Nice. Give a big hand for both of them. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू। आपने देखा कि बेसिक क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स कैसे किए जाते हैं, और भी क्वेश्चंस हम कंटिन्यू लाते जा रहे हैं। हमारे सारे कॉन्वर्सेशंस को आपको रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप ज़रूर देखें, और फर्दर कॉन्वर्सेशंस हमारे आते जाएंगे। आप इन सभी कॉन्वर्सेशंस को सुनते जाएं और इसे एक नोटबुक में नोट डाउन भी कर लें, सारे क्वेश्चंस और आंसर को। वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आप प्लीज़ लाइक कर लें और हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर लें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।